kami ng notebook. Kasi piling estudyante na. Hawak ko ang
Ginagawa mo.
Which one is better? Plain white or...
Ang ganda niya, oh. Tignan mo. This one, purple. Yung gusto niya kasi, pang bata. Mahilig ka ba sa marami? I don't know.
You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Guys, aesthetic. It's spelled aesthetic. Oh, this one, plain black. Parang ang kampun na. Let's open this, guys. This is my journal, my diary. Dear diary.
Ginagawa mo.
Hawak ko ang beat. Baka nagsan ko. Ay, yung dumi. Dirty. Yeah. Cute cat. Unicorn. Wow, cutie cute. Rory. Ay!
This one is so cute.
Yes, look at the back. It's giving. Purple, it's giving.
It's giving.
This one is so cute. It has a magnet on this, and then when you close this, it looks like. Oh, you hear that?
So cute. Wala, nahilig si Inday sa
You can put your personal data here, like your name, address, mobile number. What's this? Box.
What does the fox say? Ginagawa mo.
Your email. Home chat.
Ay,
You can
facts, yung yung facts about you.
Yeah. Hawak mo ang Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Ito, much
Ang
better.
duwado.
Hawak mo. Ay, ang cute niya.
No, there's
Look at my shirt. It's purple, you know.
There's a very many choices here. It's like the combination of red and white, color black. Mickey Mouse. See the look. See the look. Look at the effect. Hey, you look at
naka-open na siya.
Welcome back to school. So bored. So bored. So bored. Let's look for some, fighting
So
for.
pretty. Lang.
Very big. So very big.
Pero ito talaga gusto ko.
The color is so cute.
Ano ang ganda? Purple. Purple. May sila kami paglagyan ng
Ginagawa mo.
I like purple. Color purple. Pero
Hi,
gusto pa din.
guys.
Hawak mo.
Look.
Hawak mo.
There's a small
What's your
pocket.
dream? What's your dream? No,
You
but...
can put...
Ay, sorry.
Ayoko na
If you love math, you love this also.
Dapat na hindi mo na tayo mabibili. Pero para bakit mo na
Vlog take ko. Welcome to my house. Ang dami ko nga palang nabili sopa. This is my favorite. This is favorite. Hindi ka pa pwede umupo dyan. Thank you for watching. Oh, I love this color.
Maganda.
It's very giving. It's
Dapat
very
lahat-
aesthetic.
Dapat may second opinion eh, no? Nakakainis.
Ano?
Hindi ikaw.
I like this one. The color, it's so giving. It's very aesthetic. It's aesthetic. One also. What's your opinion?
Parang hindi mas maganda yung yung mga ganyan.
And also this color. I love this color. And that one, I also love that one.
Yung sasabihin ko,
Come Novo. What? What's your comment? What's your comment? It should be English. Should be English. Come on. Give it. Give him a man. Come on over.
ginagawa mo. Yung mga gamit mo, iisa lang yung kulay.
I know that. Yes, I know that.
Eh?
Please bear with the surroundings because pinaparenovate ko pa kasing house. I'm so sorry, guys. Namimili pa kasi ako kung alin talaga yung gagamitin ko dyan. Tapos iba ipapamigay ko na lang. Wala na kasing paglagay.
Who's at the back?
Oh, that's my sister, Sauji. Hey, come, this is my living living room area.
Diana ko sa
This is the living room area. Sorry if it's so magulo because we're still fixing our house. I don't like this mirror. I think I should give it to my camera girl. My camera girl.
I think there has there's
There is some unfinished
business.
hawak mo ang beat. 1 hour is not enough for a house tour. This is my old
Wait lang na yun.
This is my old vanity mirror. Oh, don't look at the price. It's so expensive. So expensive. It's so clear. Look at every detail of the mirror. Oh, this is my favorite sofa.
Sofa. Hi po.
Basag mo, bayad mo. Do you want soft drinks, cold water? No, I don't have. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm out of stock today. Let's get to our kitchen. Hindi ba ako pwede maging vlogger? Pagod na ako. This is my room. I'm tired. I'm tired. Bye.
DJ Long on the mix.
Kay gipanumpa ko na nakitang buwa magtiunay sa atong nagun.
Ay, pataka. Bus Drive Audio.
Dancing with the beat with DJ Glenn on the mix.
Ay, pataka. Bus Drive Audio.
Dancing with the beat with DJ Glenn on the